Stop scrolling. Did you know you can make over $500 daily just by playing games? Yes, you heard that right. No scams, no gimmicks, real cash straight into your account. In today's video, I'll show you one of the best gaming platforms where players in the USA are making serious money. And I'll even prove how people are earning thousands per month with just a few hours of gaming daily. So if you love gaming and want to turn it into a full-time income, the app we're talking about today is Mistplay, one of the highest paying gaming apps in the USA. How much can you earn? Casual gamers, $10 to $50 per day. Regular players, $100 to $300 per day. Top earners, $500+ per day. That means if you're consistent, you could easily be looking at $5,000 to $10,000 per month from playing games. Sounds crazy? Let me show you how it works. Mistplay is a rewards-based gaming platform where you can earn real cash just by playing games. Unlike other apps that pay pennies, Mistplay lets you earn points that convert into real money. Here's how it works. 1. Download Mistplay from the Google Play Store. 2. Play different games to earn points. 3. Accumulate points based on time played and achievements. 4. Redeem your points for PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, or direct deposits. PRO tip: the more you play, the higher your earnings. If you reach higher levels, you unlock bonus multipliers that give you 5x more rewards. How to earn the most money on Mistplay? Alright, if you really want to maximize your earnings, listen up. Here are the top ways to make the most money on Mistplay. 1. Play high-paying games. Not all games pay the same. Some games offer 3x or even 5x points per minute. The best-paying games right now are Coin Master Clash of Clans Raid, Shadow Legends, Ivany, The King's Return. 2. Play for at least 2 hours a day. The more you play, the higher your bonus multiplier. At 2+ hours per day, you unlock VIP levels, increasing your points by 50%. 3. Refer friends for free cash. Mistplay pays $5 to $10 per friend you refer. Imagine inviting 50 friends. That's an extra $500. 4. Use bonus streaks and promotions. Mistplay runs special double points promotions every week. Playing during bonus streaks can double or triple your earnings. 5. Cash out smartly. Don't cash out too soon. Save your points and use Misplay's power rewards to get up to 20% more cash. Still don't believe people are making serious cash? Let me show you some real earnings from actual users. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about playing smart and using the right strategies. Who can join Mistplay? Mistplay is available in the USA and select regions. Must be 18+ years old, available on Android devices only. No iOS yet. Fast payouts through PayPal, Amazon, and direct bank deposits. So there you have it. Making money playing games is 100% possible if you know where to look. If you want to start earning $500+ per day, download Mistplay now and start playing. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever earned money from a gaming app? Share your experience below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ways to make money online. See you in the next video.